Hey everybody, welcome back to Tactical Reviews. I finally got the 43x. I want to do what I call the Trinity. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you already know that I don't do videos for just everybody that wants to see a stock gun. I do videos on stuff I do, how I carry, what I like. So, if you want to see a stock video, you could get it, but you're probably not going to get it here. I like the smallest gun possible, but beefed up as big as possible because I'm a bigger guy. It doesn't bother me to carry like a Glock 19. So if I can get 15 rounds or about in a micro pistol, that's what I want to do. So my Hellcat, both of the mags on it are the Hive extension mags, so they're both 14 round mags. So I have a 15 round 365, a 14 round Hellcat, and now I have the XL, which comes 10 rounds, but I do have two S15 shield mags on their way, which carry 15 rounds. So we'll have a little look at them, tell you some of the stuff that I've done and what I'm planning on doing, because the 43x is stock right now. So we'll take a little look at it and then we'll figure out what I like better. And if you are like me, you might like it the same. So let's have a look. My 365 has an M-Carbo kit, has the Armory craft trigger, and the 15 round mags, like I said earlier. I am shooting at about 4-pound trigger pull on this. This has the Apex flat trigger. It has the PRP trigger kit, the Handle It rubber grips, and my Hive extension for the mags. This is currently stock. Capacity wise, obviously 15 rounds is the best. So when I didn't have this, I liked my 15 round, but what made me like the Hellcat more is when you do that, you get about a ½ inch longer on the 365 to only get one more round. But I felt like I was getting a good enough grip, and to have that little less print to lose one round, I didn't mind that. I liked it. The thickness of the grips, I liked the Hellcat a little bit better because it filled in my hand a little bit more, and I liked that over the 365 grip. So the 43x comes along and it's 15 rounds. So once I get the S15 mags, so when you look at that, the Hellcat and the 43x are pretty much the same height. Same height in the front, slightly different in the back, but not enough to make really any difference. The only difference is now I have that one extra round for the same print as the Hellcat. So that makes me already like the 43x better. On top of that, this one isn't as wide or as thick of a grip as the Hellcat, but it seems to feel better than the 365 for me. That being said, now that I have the 43x, I almost feel as though the Hellcat is too thick and too blocky. So now I favor the 43x feel over the others. Now I do plan on getting a flat trigger for the 43x, and I have sights on the way, like I said, and the mags, and that's honestly probably all I'm gonna do to it. So once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and say that out of the three, I'm probably gonna like the Hellcat the least. Even though without the 43x, I like it over the 365. Kind of weird how that works, but that's just how I feel about it. Once I get the few things done to it that I want to get done to it, this is going to be my everyday carry. I'll always keep my 365, and I do have a big love for the Hellcat, but it would not hurt my feelings if the Hellcat had to go. That's just how I feel about it. I'm not knocking them. It is what it is. So there you go. We'll pop back up top. So what have we learned today? We learned that I'm gonna do a lot of editing in this video because I say a lot and I repeat myself. I do everything off script, so it is what it is. I'll take the time to do the editing. You may not even get this part of it in the video. 43x, I think it was a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. The 365 is a super amazing, great pistol, and everyone should own one. Everyone should own a 43x. And if you really like the Hellcat, get it. It's worth it. So that's pretty much my video for today. Like and subscribe. Hit that button. And it's cold. It's like 40 something degrees out. I'm getting out of here.